Hi folks, welcome to another episode of my product and service review show, a show that's dedicated to helping your business keep pace with innovation. Today we're actually going to do a review of how to take off the mask filters and put it on. This is actually a special request by a good friend of mine, so I'm actually doing this review for you and for those who are actually having difficulties taking the filters off. So let's get started. So if you haven't seen my other reviews of this product, please check it out because there's a variety of different ones and fashionable ones that people could wear, and I have a few of them that I highly recommend. And I love this especially because of the filter option. So these are adjustable, so you can move in and out, and actually just came out because I twisted inside, and I'll talk about that in a second. So very comfortable, and actually you can wash this in warm water if you want to. You don't necessarily need to put it to a whole wash process. So all it is just basically two things that's holding these together. The filter and then the mask itself, and then you just basically putting this in and then twisting, and it locks itself. Straightforward. See, not much. But putting it on when you take out the filter is the problem. So it's a simple filter, and there's reusable ones. They don't say how long you could use if we use them for, but there's also information on washing them. You could check out once you purchase the mask. So I'm going to put this on. So you see me take this off, very straightforward. This is always the top. Just keep that in mind. And you could actually buy these replaceable if you lost them. When I first put these on, one of my problems is probably what many of us having difficulties have, because you used to go put it inside out. So this is the bigger side, if you can see from a different angle. So the edge is sticking out, which is why it's better to actually put the edge in first. So we'll do it one at a time because this can be a little annoying. Put the edges in. I'm going to put the filter over it. Takes some time to get used to it. Okay, so now all I have to do is take this part here. As long as it fits in, you're good. And then twist. Oops. Okay. Of course, I didn't get it right in the first time. So like I said, it's a little tricky, but I did get it after doing it the first time. I'm gonna start over again. Okay, I'm gonna put both of them in at the same time. Make sure these inside line up. Try the other way. See if that helps. So I took this apart, got one of them in, but I put it upside down. So there is a proper lining of how to do this. So make sure that this is by the face up, that you actually put it the same way lining as well too, because that kind of plays into the whole process of it going in properly the way you want to. So here's what I've done, and it seems to be the better option, is that I take this piece, put it in first, and I don't try to line it properly. I just put it until these two meet, and it does, and I just twist it and it locks in place. and then you could just loosen it. That's the easiest and fastest way to do it, it seems to work, versus trying to do all this alignment properly. That doesn't work the best. So I'm going to do it again with this one. So I take this piece in first. Just get it in there. Doesn't matter if it's lined up properly, and I don't care about that anymore. And I just put it into these two. Boom, it goes in. And then I twist it, it locks. And what I do is, to make sure they're aligned properly, I just loosen it up a little bit and push it down. So, and then you twist it, and then it could be aligned the same way you want it to be. And then you lock it back on the inside. That's what I'm doing. So this is a little off. Loosen it up, and then twist it, and then tighten it on the inside. And voila. So the first method I tried didn't work well, so don't care about properly aligning them. Just put the socket on the inside first, put this in until you see it twist, and then you could actually use this side to just twist it. Once both of them is locked in place, it sucks in, then you use this to twist it and lock it in place, and then you just use this to loosen up a little bit to align it. So if you want it to be, sideways like that, you could twist it doing the same thing. But it doesn't matter which way. I've seen various ways where people actually, loosen up a little bit, people actually have, twist it this way. It's your preference. So it's not a big deal which way you choose to put the filter part out. As long as they're lined properly is what you probably care about most, so it doesn't look awkward. One side is up and one side is down. And that's basically it. And again, there's the strap for the back of your neck, and then there's other ones that have the strap and the ears, and then there's one that just have the ear wraps around it. So having both gives you extra comfort, and this is expandable a little bit, but they don't stretch too much. So sometimes you may tighten it too much on your face. So sometimes just to remove the Velcro, put it towards the edge, give you a better option. This is a little smaller, but they don't say that they have sizes. So just keep that in mind. It is stretchable to some extent, but if you're a small face or a young kid, again, the Velcro is long enough, you could actually, put it towards the edge, as long as it's comfortable for you and your face. That's it for the video. Leave me a comment, questions. If that was helpful, give me a definite thumbs up. And again, this is my product and service review show dedicated to helping your business keep pace with innovation. Again, remember to join my mailing list to get access to more videos and trainings that I may have on the inside for you, and other things that could benefit your business and help it grow. Take care.